Hello, friends. Welcome back to Miss English Channel. My name is Emily, and today we are flying together.
And I'm Paul. Imagine this. You are at the airport. Your suitcase is heavy. Your passport is ready. But your English feels nervous.
Have you ever been there? Standing in line, hearing announcements, people rushing, and suddenly you think, what if I don't understand?
Don't worry. Today's lesson will guide you step by step. You'll learn words, sentences, and the courage to use them.
So, fasten your seatbelt. We're going on a travel conversation adventure. And remember, if you enjoy this journey, click subscribe and share your own travel story in the comments.
Perfect. Let's walk together into the airport. The glass doors open. You hear the sound of rolling suitcases, the smell of coffee, and the voice, "Welcome to the International Terminal."
You're at the check-in desk. The airline staff smiles. She asks, "Can I see your passport, please?" Repeat with me, everyone. Can I see your passport, please?
Great. Now your turn. Here is my passport. Try saying it aloud now. Here is my passport.
Lovely. Even if you speak slowly, it works. Never be afraid to repeat. Repetition is your friend.
Emily, I still remember my first time. I was 18, flying alone. The staff asked, "Do you have any bags to check in?"
And what did you say?
I panicked. I said, "Yes, one bag," but my voice shook. Then she smiled and said, "That's fine." And in that smile, I felt safe.
So, dear learners, let's practice that sentence. Repeat. Do you have any bags to check in?
And answer, "Yes, one bag." Or, "No, only hand luggage." Go on, say it with us.
Wonderful. You see, English at the airport is not about being perfect. It's about being understood.
Now let's add another scene. After check-in, you must go through security. Imagine the guard says, "Take off your shoes, please."
Or put your laptop in a separate tray. Yes, airports love trays. Repeat after me. Put your laptop in a separate tray.
Good job. And if you don't understand, you can always say, "Can you repeat that, please?" Try it now. Can you repeat that, please?
Exactly. That one phrase can save your whole trip.
Now picture yourself inside the airport. You see screens with flight numbers. Suddenly, you hear, "Attention passengers, flight 215 to London is now boarding."
What should you do? You check your boarding pass. Boarding pass is your ticket with seat number. Say it, boarding pass.
Great. And practice, "Where is gate 12?" Try it, "Where is gate 12?"
Amazing. I love the energy. Even if you are at home, you can imagine the big airport and your voice asking confidently.
Emily, can we tell them a story about our friend Jessie?
Yes. Jessie, a student from Brazil. First time in Europe, first time in a huge airport. She was scared, but she remembered one phrase. "Excuse me, where is my gate?"
And that one phrase helped her find her way. She even made a new friend while asking. That's the power of small English sentences.
So let's practice Jessie's magic phrase. Everyone, repeat. "Excuse me, where is my gate?"
Excellent. Now imagine you sit at the gate waiting. The loudspeaker says, "Now boarding rows 20 to 35.
Sometimes numbers confuse us. If you don't hear clearly, you can ask your neighbor, "Is it time to board?"
Perfect. Repeat, "Is it time to board?"
Beautiful. Don't worry if your accent feels strong. Every accent is beautiful. English is for communication, not perfection.
After boarding, a flight attendant smiles and says, "Welcome on board." Repeat after me, "Welcome on board."
And you answer, "Thank you." Simple, polite, Friendly. A smile is the best language.
Emily, shall we give them some extra tips?
Of course. Tip number 1, always keep a small notebook. Write down words like passport, boarding pass, luggage. When you write, you remember.
Tip number 2, don't be afraid to act with your hands. Pointing, smiling, showing your ticket, it helps. Communication is more than words.
And tip number 3, every mistake is a step forward. If you forget a word, just breathe and try again. People will understand.
Yes, even native speakers make mistakes. Remember, English is your tool, not your enemy.
Okay, friends, before we close page 1, let's do a short review game. I'll ask questions, you answer aloud. Ready?
Question 1. What do you show at check-in?
Correct. Your passport.
Question 2. What do you ask if you don't understand?
Yes. Can you repeat that, please? Excellent.
Question 3. What is the ticket with your seat number called?
Boarding pass. You are doing great.
Remember Jessie? One phrase changed her journey. That can be you, too.
Friends, you are already learning. Be proud. You can speak English at the airport with confidence.
And we are here to travel with you every step.
Stay with us for page 2. We'll enter the airplane, order drinks, talk to the flight attendant, and learn even more English.
See you in the next part. And don't forget, every word you speak today is a victory.
Exactly. You are improving. Subscribe, comment your favorite phrase, and let's keep flying together. Welcome back, friends, to Miss English Channel. You made it through the airport, and now it's time to step inside the airplane.
You walk down the narrow aisle. The overhead bins are open. People are putting their bags inside. A flight attendant greets you. Can I help you with your bag?
Repeat with me. Can I help you with your bag?
And your answer could be, yes, please, or no, thank you. Try it now.
Yes, please.
No, thank you.
Perfect. Polite, simple, and clear. That's all you need.
Now you find your seat. Maybe it's seat 14A. You say, excuse me, that's my seat.
Everyone, say it aloud. Excuse me, that's my seat.
Great job. And if someone is in the middle, you can ask, may I sit here?
Repeat. May I sit here? Excellent. Always smile. A smile opens every door, even airplane seats.
After sitting, the announcement begins. Please fasten your seatbelt. Turn off your mobile phones.
Let's practice. Fasten your seatbelt. Say it again. Fasten your seatbelt.
Wonderful. You're already hearing English in your head. That's how learning works.
Now, imagine the plane is in the sky. A flight attendant comes with a cart. She asks, "Would you like something to drink?"
Repeat after me. Would you like something to drink?
And you can answer, "Yes, water please," or "Orange juice please." Try it.
Yes, water please.
Orange juice please.
Beautiful. Simple words bring comfort on a long flight.
Let's make it fun. Paul, pretend you are the passenger. I'll be the flight attendant.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good afternoon. Would you like chicken or pasta for lunch?
Pasta, please.
Anything to drink?
Yes, coffee, please.
See? Easy and natural. Learners, practice with us. Repeat. Chicken, please.
Pasta, please.
Coffee, please.
Tea, please.
Fantastic. You are ordering like a world traveler.
Sometimes you might not understand. That's okay. You can ask, can you say that again, please?
Or, what does that mean? Don't be shy. Asking questions shows courage.
Let's share another story. Our friend Crystal was flying from Mexico to Canada. She didn't know how to order food.
But she remembered one word. Chicken. She smiled, said it softly, and the flight attendant understood. Crystal was proud because she tried.
That's the spirit. Even one word is better than silence.
Now let's practice a real conversation. I'll ask, you answer at home. Ready?
Would you like something to drink?
Say it. Yes, water please.
Would you like chicken or pasta?
Say it. Chicken please.
Wonderful. You are now dining in the sky.
But wait, sometimes you need help. Maybe your headphones don't work. You can say, "Excuse me, my headphones don't work."
Or, excuse me, can I have a blanket? Repeat after me. Can I have a blanket?
Excellent. Comfort is important when flying.
Now let's add a little culture. Did you know? On many flights, people say thank you when leaving the plane. It's a small kindness.
Yes, gratitude makes travel brighter. Always say, "Thank you." Practice now.
Thank you.
Louder.
Thank you.
Perfect. That word is free, but it has great power.
Emily, should we give them a bonus idiom? Something connected with flying?
Yes, here it is. To spread your wings. It means to try new things, to grow.
Like you learners, you are spreading your wings by practicing English today.
Another idiom, flying high. It means feeling happy, successful. After this lesson, you are flying high.
I love that. Okay, friends, let's review with a short game. Answer aloud.
Question 1. What do you say when someone sits in your seat?
Correct. Excuse me, that's my seat.
Question 2. How do you order coffee politely?
Coffee, please. Very good.
Question 3. What phrase do you use if you don't understand?
Yes, can you say that again, please? You nailed it.
You're learning not only words, but courage.
Exactly. Confidence grows every time you open your mouth. Mistakes are teachers, not enemies.
So let's imagine the end of the flight. The captain says,
We are landing soon. Please fasten your seatbelts.
the plane touches down, people clap, you stand up, smile, and say,
Thank you. You walk into a new country, ready for adventure, ready to speak more English.
Dear learners, you just traveled through English at the airport and on the airplane. That's a big journey.
Be proud of yourself. Even if you only remember one phrase, you are improving.
And every small step builds your future. You are not just learning English, you're building a life with more freedom, more connection.
So, what about you? Imagine your next flight. What will you order? Chicken or pasta? Coffee or tea?
Write your answer in the comments. Let's practice together.
And don't forget, subscribe, share this lesson, and keep practicing.
We are always here like friends waiting at the gate, ready to travel with you.
Yes, and remember, English is not about perfection, it's about connection.
Exactly. So spread your wings, fly high, and keep speaking.
We believe in you. Until next time, safe travels and happy learning.